Hi, this is Clint. Let's talk about food. One of my favorite activities to do when I'm traveling abroad is to try out different countries' local food. And one of the best ways to do that is to go for street and market food vendors. I would rather not go to those high-priced, touristy, rip-off restaurants. Instead, I want to see if there are any street food and market food opportunities. So a good general guideline, look where the locals are going and follow the locals. Because remember, the locals always know where the best food is and where the cheapest food is. So follow the locals. Now you can find market food vendors in these big markets, both indoors and also outdoors. I found them in Latin America and I found them in Asia. These are well established, but sometimes you can also find individual food vendors out in the streets. For example, I was in Big Island, Hawaii, and I just happened to drive past this family who was setting up a big chicken barbecue, and it was the best chicken barbecue I've ever had. In Thailand, I came across, by accident, this lady who was cooking in front of her own house. She was cooking breakfast, and it was great and cheap. I liked it so much, I went back the next morning.
I've been looking real hard and I'm trying to find a job, but it just keeps getting tougher every day. But I got to do my part, cause I know in my heart I got to please my sweet baby, yeah. Well, I ain't superstitious and I don't get suspicious, but my woman is a friend of mine. And I know that it's true, that all the things that I do will come back to me in my sweet time. So keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby.
Now, many tourists are concerned about the safety of street food. Is it safe? Will I get food poisoning? Okay, that's a valid concern. So I follow a general guideline here. If it's baked goods or fruit, it's usually okay. If it's something that involves meat, then they must cook it in front of me over high heat. Just because it's already cooked, that's not good enough for me. Because something could be just sitting there and who knows for how long. Could be sitting there for hours. I'm not going to take that. I'm only going to order something that I know that they can cook in front of me over high heat. Once I see that, then it's okay. So next time you're traveling, try to go for street food and market food. It's basically an extension of the whole food trucks revolution here in North America. Except instead of being mobile, they're usually established at fixed locations. That's how popular street and market food is abroad. So thanks for watching. Happy traveling and happy eating.